banana, flour, and the powder milk. Amount of salt. Then, mix lang natin to. So, haluin lang natin lahat to. Then, lalagay natin sa isang lalagyan. Isang kutsarang vanilla. Then, mix lang natin to para magdagdag ng smell ng ating ginagawang bread. Ako dito sa aking lalagyan ng baking paper. Pag natapos na natin to, ano lang natin ng ganyan. Then, oven na natin. 5 minutes iinitin yung oven, then 45 minutes isasalang to hanggang sa maluto. This one is banana bread. You can try this recipe, guys. It's very easy and healthy bread. So, ito pala yung binake ko na banana bread. So good. It's a healthy banana bread. Yummy. Perfect merienda, snack. Easy to make. And good to black coffee. Delicious. The texture is so good. Fluffy. Yummy and healthy. Healthy. Do this, guys. Very healthy. Magugustuhan to ng kids. Tsaka pamilya nyo. If you do this, visit my YouTube channel and subscribe to my YouTube channel also. Then, please follow my Facebook page and follow my TikTok. If you buy something, please click the yellow basket in my video. Enjoy shopping. Thank you, guys. Bye.